here, welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be another tech review, you guys. I'm going to be reviewing the Letscom smartwatch. It looks just like this, you guys. I've been wanting one of these for such a long time, you guys. As you guys know, I did want to get the Fitbit Versa 2, but I didn't really hear that many good things about it. And obviously I'm not about to buy an Apple Watch because I just think it's like overpriced. So I got the Letscom smartwatch that looks just like this. I really love it so far, and we're gonna get into it. Here's the box right here. It just says Letscom smartwatch, your health tracker. It just looks like this. And let's go ahead and open it. Now you guys, when I opened, I thought it was so pretty, you guys. It says accessories inside. So this is how it looks when you first open it, you guys. Look how nice that is. And I did get this in the rose gold color, and the reason I did is because I do have the iPhone 7 Plus in rose gold, and I just thought it matched perfect, you guys. I love rose gold. It's my favorite. So when I saw this, I was like, so it's already on. I already charged it and everything like that. I really like the look of this. Like I said before, I was looking at the Fitbits, and I saw this one and I had to get it, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys also what comes in the box. So you go ahead and take off the top, and everything's underneath this. So it has the manual right here, the little 1-year warranty, and in this little plastic bag is the actual charger. Now what I loved about this charger, you guys, is it is magnetic. So look how this charger looks like this. I've never seen anything like it before, and I'm just using my Apple block, and I'm gonna show you guys how you charge it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out, and just for you guys to get a better look at it. I have it set to wake to raise, so when I turn it, it automatically comes on and it shows the time and everything. So you guys can see right here in the back, I want to show you guys how I charge it. So right here is the magnetic strip that you charge it. Here's the charger, and literally this is all you do. Do this, boom, and it's charging. How cool is that? Magnetic. So yeah, what I love about this, it is a fitness tracker. I didn't want something like an Apple Watch. I feel like I already have an iPhone, so I didn't need a mini iPhone on my wrist. I really wanted this, like I said, something similar to like the Fitbit. I am on my body after baby journey, so I'm definitely gonna start that new series, and I wanted a fitness tracker to count my calories, my steps. I really like this. It has like a yoga type app for like relaxation and everything like that. Super cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys more about it. So here's the screen. I have it set. I can't tell time, y'all, so I like the screen that has the actual time on it. But I'm gonna show you guys how you can change the watch faces. So go ahead, turn it on. Here's the screen. I'm gonna just go through what it has. Sport, heart rate, alarm, relax. I really like this. I'm gonna show you guys the relax. It just says please calm down. For somebody that has anxiety, this is like perfect. So it says inhale, and then it has this, I don't know if it can focus. It says exhale, and it just tells you like things like that. I thought that was pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna end this. It says confirm the end of this relaxation. Yes. Okay, we're gonna scroll down. Then there's the music controller, which I can show you guys right here. Open the music controller. It's connected to Pandora here on my phone. So I just open Pandora. Let's say if I'm in the car driving, I don't want to be on my phone. I have this. Pandora's going, and let's say I don't want this song, so I'll just change it right here. Next song. Next song. So it's pretty cool. I could just control, or Spotify or Apple Music, whatever music you have on your phone, you can control it for on your little smartwatch. So that's what I like. So let's go ahead and go back. So music controller, timer, settings, sports record to keep a track of like all your stuff like that. If I go back to the main page, if I scroll up, it has my notifications. So I get my Facebook notifications, my Twitter notifications, my Instagram, my texts, phone calls, anything like that that I get to my phone, it will show up on the watch. Right here, I'm just getting a notification from Facebook. Somebody left my story. So since I already seen it, I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. And it says, do you want to delete the messages? Yes. So that's a little message app. Then if you scroll down, it is my steps. Scroll down again, it's the, how many miles ran and stuff like that. It's the calories that you burned. And then it's at the end of the week, it has like your week total of what you've done the whole week. So that's cool to see. I really like that. I'm gonna go ahead and go into settings so you guys can see the watch faces. So settings, you go to dial. There's that face, which is the one I have. Oh, wrong way. There's that face, is like a deer. There's that clock face. I really like this face the best, but like I said, I can't tell time, so there's no point in me picking this one because I'm just going to be doing it for style. Like, I'm not going to know what time it is, but I think that was super pretty. And to wake it up, you could do raise to wake, or you can press the little button on the side to bring the screen back on. So I do either or, but yeah, I got that watch face, see right there. And yeah, overall, that's pretty much all it does. I could like go through everything. Sport, sport app, go, ooh, and it like blinks. It's really cool. So I'm gonna stop that. Then there's the heart rate, and it blinks once you have it on your wrist. It could check your heart rate. Obviously right now nothing's gonna show up because I don't have it on my wrist, but I definitely wanted that to check my heart rate. It says 73. Obviously you know that's not right. There's the relax I showed you, alarm, music control I showed you, the timer, drop that. Then there's the sports record I also showed you. So you guys, this smartwatch has a lot. I know I just did a previous smartwatch. That one's like mostly just like a fitness tracker specifically. This one's more like a smartwatch / fitness tracker. It's not just only fitness. You could do more with this watch. But you guys, I really love it. I love the color. I love everything that it does. It was super easy. I got the app that goes with the watch. It is called the Very Fit Pro app right there. You guys can see it's the orange one. So I got the Very Fit Pro app. You open it and I could show you guys how many steps. So far it says I did 356 steps since I've had the watch, which is really cool. You guys, I have a newborn, so I'm always walking around, and I have a toddler, so I'm moving all the time. So I like that it's tracking all that stuff on the app. Yeah, I just got a notification from Instagram, see, and it pops up right there and it shows that who liked my photo and stuff on Instagram. So that's really cool. If I don't have my phone on me, if I'm in the car, I can look, just check my watch, or if I'm walking or running errands or anything, I don't have to get my phone. I could just see who's texting and stuff like that. Pretty cool. But yeah, here's the little app. It has the details, device, like connected to the device, user, everything. So the app is really cool. This watch is really easy to set up everything. I definitely recommend if you guys can't afford a Fitbit or a Apple Watch and you want something similar, really nice, gets to the point, gets the job done. I definitely recommend this Letscom smartwatch. I will leave the link below to this watch. I really wanted it. Merry Christmas to me, early Christmas gift. But I really love it, you guys. And let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.